Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on our extra brightness mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To find this option, we have to go to our settings menu, then we have to go to display here, and our extra brightness mode is right here. It uses more battery, but it's a little bit more bright. To turn it off, simply tap it back, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.